नमस्कार, आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है वी सेफ नेचुरल हीलिंग चैनल में। मैं डॉक्टर अनु मुद्गल फिर से हाजिर हूँ आपकी समस्याओं के सरल सफल समाधान लेकर। साथियों, आज के दौर में जब सब कुछ कंप्यूटराइज हो गया, घर बैठे हमारे सारे काम एक बटन दबाते हो जाते हैं, तो इसका खामियाजा सबसे ज्यादा भुगतना पड़ रहा है हमारी आंखों को, हमारी आईज को। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कुछ छोटे छोटे ऐसे घरेलू नुस्खे, होम रेमेडीज और होम टिप्स जो कि हम रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में अगर इस्तेमाल करें तो हमारी आंखें न केवल स्वस्थ रह सकती हैं बल्कि उनकी छोटी मोटी परेशानियां हम घर बैठे ही दूर कर सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं टिप से। सबसे पहला टिप, द फर्स्ट टिप, आपको क्या करना है? अपनी आँखों को अच्छे से धोना है। What is the best way to clean anything is to wash it simple with water. So that is the way for your eyes too. Okay, how can you make your eyes clean and healthy? By washing them. Now how to do this? आपको दो तरीके से आप इसको कर सकते हैं। एक गुलाब जल वाटर मिक्सचर से, एक त्रिफला वाटर मिक्सचर से। ओके, गुलाब जल आप थोड़ा सा, सपोज आप 1:4 की क्वांटिटी में गुलाब जल लेते हैं। 1 इज़ योर गुलाब जल एंड 4 इज़ योर वाटर। अगर आपको 50 ml पानी चाहिए तो उसमें से 10 ml आप गुलाब जल लेंगे और बाकी 40 ml आप डिस्टिल्ड वाटर, आर ओ वाटर आजकल सभी के घरों में होता है, वो लेंगे। उसको मिक्स करके उससे आपको करना है। और अगर आप त्रिफला जल बनाना चाहते हैं तो त्रिफला पाउडर मार्केट में बहुत ईजीली अवेलेबल होता है। त्रिफला इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ 3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स, आंवला, हरड़, बहेड़ा। Okay, so this mixture solid you can take, you can powder it yourself at home or you can buy or purchase the powder itself. Just soak 1 teaspoon in 1 glass of water at night. Use that water, sieve it, छान लीजिए उसको ताकि जो उसके पार्टिकल्स हैं वो ना आए। अच्छे से छान करके उस पानी को यूज़ कीजिए। आपको आइज़ वॉश करने के लिए पानी नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे यूज़ करना है। अगर आप गर्म इलाके से हैं या ठंडे इलाके से हैं, पानी आपका नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर से गर्म या ठंडा है तो आप उसे मिक्स करके नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पर लाएंगे। ठीक है ना, ठंडा पानी यूज़ करेंगे ना गर्म पानी यूज़ करेंगे। आपको नॉर्मल वाटर लाइक ल्यूक वार्म से हल्का सा ठंडा, ल्यूक वार्म भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ हाउ टू डू। एक ग्लास में पानी लीजिए। ओके, सुबह आपको जब आप ब्रश करते हैं उससे पहले या बाद में, जैसे भी आप कर सकते हैं, मुंह में अपने पानी भरना है। नॉर्मल टैप वाटर, आप जिससे कुल्ला कर रहे हैं, नॉर्मल टैप वाटर आपको मुंह में फिल करना है like this. After that, open your eyes as wide as possible. Then take the water in your palm, the cup, you can make a cup like this, pour some water in it. Okay, hold it like this. Can you see the cup formation? Hold the water, whatever water you want, gulab jal or trifla jal. Pour that water here and try to, while your mouth filled with water and eyes wide open, try to place your hand over the eye, covering the eye in such a manner that a vacuum is created and no water is spilling out. Then inside, blink your eyes 2 to 3 times so that the water enters into your eye and cleans it properly. Then you can release your hand, release the water inside your mouth, and then you can repeat this step with the other hand by placing water into the cup formed by your hand, and you have to repeat 2 cycles with this, one from left hand, one from right hand, both for both eyes, 2 cycles for both the hands. Eyes wide open, make the cup, place it over your eye, blink the eye inside, and then release the water filled in your
mouth.
आइए अब चलते हैं दूसरी टिप की ओर, जिसमें मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी 10 योग मुद्राएं, सूक्ष्म क्रियाएं, जिनकी सहायता से आप अपने आइज़ को बहुत ही हेल्दी रख सकते हैं। प्लस आजकल जो ये स्ट्रेस बढ़ गया है, ऑनलाइन स्क्रीन टाइम बच्चों का बढ़ गया है या लोगों का बढ़ गया, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, दे आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम देयर लैपटॉप्स, दे आर ऑल द टाइम ऑन मोबाइल फोन्स, okay, so there are more chances of getting eye muscles being stressed, so they can relieve their stress of eye muscles by simply practicing these 10 yogic sukshma kriyas daily. If you perform them daily, we can assure you that within a week you will feel or realize the vitality of your eyes is increasing. If you practice daily, followed with some other aspects also, you can remove your eyeglasses also. Okay, so let's have a look how to do them. Simply you have to simply sit, or you can do them standing, but it's a long process of 5-10 minutes, so it's better you sit in Sukhasana, okay, and then you start doing these exercises. If you are elder people or you are having any joint problems or any other issues that you are not able to sit in Sukhasana, then you can simply sit on a chair, on a bed, wherever you are comfortable. Okay, just make sure that you have to sit straight with your back straight, right? So the first step is open your eyes wide and try to look up and down. For support, for help, you can make your thumb like this, stretch your arms up and down as far as possible, and try to look the left thumb and the right thumb up, down, up, down, up, down. Like this, you have to count till 10. Initially, you start your counting from 10 and gradually you can increase it to 30, 40, not more than that. You can repeat the whole cycle at another time of the day. Okay. First is your up. Open your eyes wide like this. Look up, look down. 1, 2. And this you have to count till 10. Initially for 1 week, do only 10 counts. The second pose is for left and right, like this. Look left, don't move your neck. Your neck has to be stiffened here only. Only your eyeballs have to move. Left, right, left, right, like this. So one is up and down, one is left and right. Then you have diagonal.
Now
Diagonal
see
left,
like
up,
this,
right,
left
down.
up, down, up, right down, up, down, like this. And in between the steps, you have to relax your eyes by simply closing them. Like you are doing the up and down. After completing 10 counts, relax. After completing 10 counts of left to right, relax a bit. Relaxing, you have to do.
So after doing the diagonal left up and down and the diagonal right up and down, you have to continue with semicircles and the full circle. First was up and down, second was left and right, third was left up right down, and fourth was right up left down. Now coming to the fifth and sixth, they are the semicircles. Stretch wide open your hands, start looking from left hand, making a semicircle as wide open as possible and reaching the right hand thumb like this, keeping your neck firm, only rolling your eyes, starting from left side, making semicircle up as wide as possible and reaching your right thumb, trying to look your right thumb. Now coming back and tracing back the semicircle you just drew in air. This is your 1 semicircle cycle. Similarly, you have to draw semicircle downside. From left, eyes as wide as open, neck firm, not rotating, only the eyes looking, and making the semicircle from left hand to right hand thumb, and then coming back, tracing the circle again. This is your 5th and 6th number. Now after that, repeating this cycle from right to left. Repeating this cycle from right to left. Okay, like this only. Just now you did left to right, now doing right to left like this. Upper circle and downside semicircle. Now after the semicircles, you have to make a full circle from left to right and then from right to left. But one important point you have to keep in mind, as do not cross over. 360 one side clockwise, 360 anti-clockwise, returning back. You are not supposed to cross over like this. Start left, upper semicircle, right thumb, lower semicircle, we have reached the left thumb. Now coming back, making down semicircle, reaching right thumb, making up semicircle and reaching the left thumb. This is your one cycle for full circle. You are not supposed to cross over. When you're starting from left, you will make the circle and you will reach back there. When you're starting from right, you will start, make a circle and you will reach back there. You will not cross over any of these sides. So these 8 steps, up, down, left, right, in the diagonals, the semicircles and the circles, comprises your first 8 parts of the Sukshma Yogic Kriya for eyes. So after completing the 8 steps, 9th step is open your eyes as wide as possible like this and blink fast, stretching outside and squeezing as much as possible. Blinking the eyes like this. Meanwhile, rubbing your palms like this, mainly the palm area, and at least after doing 10 cycles of stretching and squeezing, that is blinking of your eyes, simply make a cup of your this palm and put over your both the eyes, in a way creating a vacuum like space for the eyes, and politely, softly blink the eyes inside that cup of your palm like this. Repeat this cycle of blinking and palming at least thrice after the whole cycle of 8 Sukshma Kriyas. Repeat this cycle of blinking and palming, the 9th and the 10th step of 10 yogic Sukshma Kriyas for eyes. Repeat 3 cycles at least after 8 steps of this Kriya. Right? So this you can do at least and at max once a day and twice a day. If you do it once a day, it will be beneficial. If you do it twice a day, it will be very beneficial. And there's no limitation like you have to do daily at one time. If you feel like sometime in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening afternoon, or morning afternoon, morning evening, whatever time suits you, you can do this. So after yogic kriyas, let's focus on the next step, which is from also yoga therapy, the yoga mudra. Okay, you have to make this posture from your hand. Sit in a comfortable asana, sukhasana, padmasana. If you are not comfortable or you are not able to sit, then you can simply sit on a chair, on your bed. Okay, you have to fold your index finger. This is your index finger. Fold it like this. Place your thumb over it like this and try to press as much as possible like this. This is your Vayu Mudra. Similarly, from second hand, fold the index finger, place your thumb and press as much as possible. This is your Vayu Mudra. This you have to form and keep your hands on your knees, sitting in any posture
that is comfortable to you. This mudra you are forming by pressing your index finger and your thumb over that index finger. This mudra you have to relax in between while doing this mudra like this. You have to stretch and squeeze your hands. This mudra at a stretch you can do for 5 minutes, and for 3 cycles, that means 5 minutes each cycle, maximum for 15 minutes you can do this. This is very helpful for
चलिए दोस्तों, अब देखते हैं सबसे कीमती टिप जो इस पूरे वीडियो में आपके आइज़ के लिए होने वाली है। ठीक है, आपको बिल्कुल चुटकियों में आराम चाहिए अपनी आइज़ के पेन से, थकान से, स्ट्रेस से। आपको जो सर दर्द हो रहा है आइज़ की वजह से, जो आप ऑनलाइन स्क्रीन टाइम आपका बढ़ गया है उसकी वजह से जो आपको आँखों में दर्द हो रहा है, उससे आप चुटकी बजा के कैसे निजात पा सकते हैं। तो इसका हल है नेचुरल थेरेपी, नेचुरोपैथी में, एक्यूप्रेशर में। ओके, आपको क्या करना है, ये आपका फेस है, दीज आर योर आईब्रोज। ओके, आईब्रोज का जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, टिप, just below these tips are the very crucial points for your eyes. Okay, make a posture of your hand like this, try to place it over your eyebrows just at the starting point, जहाँ पर आपके thumb का ये tip touch करेगा, that is the point for your, okay, just under these sockets you have to press, support your hair like this, head like this, and you can press like this। 2-3 जगह आप प्रेस करके देखें। जैसे ही आपको एक पॉइंट हिट हो, ऐसे पेन फील हो हल्का सा, दैट इज़ द पॉइंट यू हैव टू टारगेट। ओके, दिस इज़ द एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट। सिंपली आप बैठे हैं थके हुए, रिलैक्स कीजिए किसी भी पोजीशन में, सर को आप पीछे टिका सकते हैं, टेक लगा सकते हैं और ये एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट्स दबा सकते हैं।
And this is the technique through which you can revitalize yourself and your eyesight.
The next step comes using earth element for therapy of eyes. How can you use earth? So here is the conclusion, the tip, that you can use earth in form of mud pack. Okay, you have to take a cotton cloth. So see people, you cannot do it yourself because the mud that is used in this type of therapy is very exclusive, that is being extracted from a particular place where there are no animals fetching their urine, stools, etc. There is no litter outside there, and there's a water body near that mud, and there are many restrictions. But in modern scenario you cannot easily avail these type of things. You can do one thing, if you have some nature cure center around yourself, they people must be procuring these mud packs from somewhere, so you can go and purchase from them. Or simply what you can do, take a mud pot in your home, fill it with the mud that you use to plant your plants, right? Soak it with water at least for 30 days. 30 days, every day water it like you are watering a plant. Okay, here I'm in Delhi, this is a summer season, so water will evaporate daily, so I'll need to water it twice a day. According to your region, water that mud pot daily according to your season, once a day, twice a day, like that, like you water your plants, right? After 30 days your mud is ready, then you can utilize that mud, make a mud pack. What do you have to do? Everybody knows how to make cutlets. Simply take some mud out of it, make a cutlet. Okay, take 2 leaves, normal plants we have available, money plant we have in our homes, take 2 leaves of money plant, put that cutlet of mud made into onto a cotton cloth, right? Wrap it, both the mud packs, both the cutlets of muds, and put that cotton cloth containing the cutlets of mud over your eyes. First, place the leaves over your eyes, lie down on a bed, place those leaves over that, put that mud pack for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. If you want to shorten the time, do it for 15 minutes only initially. You can do it very comfortably, very easily, very safely within the premises of your homes. There is no harm in it. Believe me, there is no harm in it. Okay, after 15 minutes, ask somebody in your home to help you out, that after 15 minutes, or you can simply put a reminder alarm. When the alarm buzzes, you can take the mud off. Don't open your eyes soon after removing it. Okay, there will be some water. कुछ हो सकता है क्योंकि आपकी आइज इतनी स्ट्रेस्ड हैं, इतनी थकी हुई हैं, इतना उनमें पोल्यूशन है, ओके, कि उनमें से थोड़ा सा पानी निकलेगा साइड से या इधर से सेंटर से. ओके, don't worry, don't panic, nothing is gonna hurt your eyes. It is simply mud and leaf. There is no harm for your eyes. जब आपने उसको हटा दिया, आप धीरे से अपनी आँखों को ऐसे हल्का सा पाम से प्रेस करके हल्का सा सूद करेंगे. ओके, या आप पामिंग एक्सरसाइज भी कर सकते हैं. सिंपली हैंड्स को रब करके पाम को गरम हल्का सा टच करवा के, ओके, लाइक दिस यू कैन ईज योर आइज एंड देन यू कैन स्लाइटली ओपन योर आइज. हो सकता है शुरू में आपको हल्का सा ब्लरिंग विजन हो, थोड़ा सा ब्लर दिखे, राइट? ये तो नॉर्मली भी होता है जब हम कोई आई ड्रॉप्स डालते हैं या आइज वॉश करते हैं, उसके बाद भी होता है. देयर इज़ नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट. बट आफ्टर दैट, try to compare your vision before the mud pack and after the mud pack. How you feel about it? Okay, अब ये जो mud है ये उतनी स्पेशल नहीं है जितनी नेचुरल सेंटर्स में अवेलेबल होती है, बट स्टिल एटलीस्ट 50% benefit it is going to give you. Okay, so you can
try it.
प्राकृतिक चिकित्सा, नेचुरल थेरेपी और नेचुरोपैथी में जब तक खाने पीने की डाइट की बात ना हो, नेचुरोपैथी इनकम्प्लीट है. तो आइए जानते हैं एक छोटा सा टिप जिसकी मदद से आप अपनी आँखों की शक्ति को, अपनी आई साइट को, अपनी आई पावर को, आई मसल्स को जो आपके ब्रेन में होती हैं उनको एम्पावर कर सकते हैं. ओके, अ सिंपल मिक्सचर यू हैव टू मेक. टेक 4 to 5 आलमंड्स. आलमंड्स आपको ओनली वन थिंग दैट अमेरिकन नहीं लेने हैं. ओके, अमेरिकन बादाम आपको नहीं लेना है. आपको देसी, गुलबंदी, वट एवर वेराइटी यू वॉन्ट, टेक दैट. लीव दी अमेरिकन वंस बिकॉज उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल नहीं होता है, राइट? आपको बादाम खाना है, ठीक है? बादाम 4 से 5 आपने लिए. आपने 1 चम्मच सौंफ ली और 1 चम्मच मिश्री ली. इस प्रपोर्शन के अकॉर्डिंग आप एक मिक्सचर बना के रख लीजिए अपने घर में, और डेली रात को आपको ये मिक्सचर 1 टीस्पून विद 1 और हाफ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क आपको लेना है, ठीक है? अमेरिकन बादाम हमने क्यों मना किया है? क्योंकि अमेरिकन बादाम में ऑयल नहीं होता. आपको बादाम सूखा नहीं खाना है. सूखा बादाम ड्राई आप खाएंगे, इट्स वेरी ड्राई, गर्म होता है बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी तासीर. ओके, आप उसको भिगो भी लेंगे, उसकी तासीर ठंडी हो जाएगी, लेकिन जो उसका सूखापन है वो नहीं जाएगा. दैट विल ओनली कम फ्रॉम दी fat that you are adding. So that comes from the oil that is present in the almond oil, or the milk that you are taking will provide the fat. So this combination only will empower the muscles of eyes that are present over here, or the head muscles that are giving nourishment to the eyes. साथियों, आइए अब देखते हैं. अक्सर ऐसा होता है हम सभी के साथ कि ऑफिस में लगातार काम करते हुए, स्क्रीन पे देखते हुए या और काम करते हुए हम इतना थक जाते हैं, इतना स्ट्रेस्ड हो जाते हैं, टायर्ड हो जाते हैं कि बाकी ये काम को निपटाने के लिए हमारे पास एनर्जी ही नहीं बचती है. तो ऐसे में ऑफिस में ड्यूरिंग ऑफिस आवर्स व्हाट वी कैन डू टू री एनर्जाइज or revitalize ourselves with new force of energy? Yes, there is a solution. In spite of taking a cup of tea, coffee, cold drink, etc., you can quickly do two asanas, simply two asanas, and re-energize yourself, your mind and your eyes to give yourself a break and be ready for the next half of the day. So, let me show you how to do the two asanas. Get up from your chair, take a deep breath, relax your body and simply stretch it up, doing the Tad Asana or the mountain pose. Friends, you can do this while in your washroom area, restroom area, or if you have a separate cabin, you can do there itself. Relax. Again, stretch your body. Let the upper half stretch towards up and the lower half stretch towards down. Stretch your body, your fingers, your neck, everything.
And relaxing down. This asana has to be followed by Kagasana. You can do it simply by balancing your hands in front of you and sitting while your legs, feet join together. And place your hands on your knees for support. People with fat tummy or who cannot sit like this with joint feet can do in squatting position like this. You can open your legs to the width of shoulder and then sit in squatting position, similarly placing your hands on knees for support till your calf muscles start feeling a little pain. These are your calf muscles. You can sit comfortably till there is a slight pain in your calf muscles, and you can repeat this cycle of Tadasana followed by Kagasana a few number of times so that your energy is regained for the further half of the day.
तो साथियों, आपने देखा आप कैसे सिंपल 6 स्टेप्स में अपनी आँखों का ख्याल रख सकते हैं, उन्हें हेल्दी रख सकते हैं। ओके, एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ मैं यहाँ बोलना चाहूँगी, अगर आप सभी पॉइंट्स आप नहीं फॉलो कर पा रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं, आपको इंस्टेंट एनर्जी चाहिए, यू कैन सिंपली फॉलो द 2 पॉइंट्स, एक्यूप्रेशर एंड द योगासन। द एक्यूप्रेशर, this you can practice daily before going to sleep or any time of the day. Whenever you feel tiredness or lethargy in your eyes, you can focus on these points, you can pressure point these points, and you can do the Tadasana followed by the Kagasana. It will simply re-energize yourself. And if you want to make your eyes healthy, you want to follow a daily regime to maintain your eyes health, and you want to get rid of your glasses or lenses, then you have to follow the simple step of acupressure point and the yogic kriyas, the 10 cycle kriya that I just mentioned in the third step. Okay, these are very very beneficial, and these you can just quickly adjust in your hectic lifestyle also. So these are tips that you can follow in your daily lifestyle to get rid of your eye troubles. So hoping to meet soon next time with some more remedies for you all.